A very good morning, guys. Yesterday we asked who blinks, and the gap or the wall, and the gap blinked. The open was near 24,300. That was the high for the day. The market sold 130 points into the close and closed at 24,219. And the proprietary traders dumped their entire call book into the gap. 1.8 lakh calls got sold. The crowd took the other side, bought almost 1.62 lakh calls on top of already uh, buying the calls, and now the naked put stands at 8.44 lakhs. So the writers pressed 4.3 crore fresh calls got written yesterday across the option chain. The resistance 24,300 doubled to 2.16 crore, and today weekly and monthly expiry overlaps. A 60-point gap down. Korea is down 2% again. The test is move from the ceiling to the floor. This is the Tanmay. You are listening to episode 110. I am Tanmay Kurtagoti. Let's go. So first, yesterday, Nifty closed at 24,219, down 32 points, 0.14%. The two higher close streaks ended yesterday. The gap up towards that 24,300 sold and all day. The low was 24,152 and the closing happened at 24,219. Sensex a 588 point round trip. High 249 points, low of 339 points, closed negative 172 points at 77,369. The breadth was 23 to 26. VIX closed 4.5% higher, 11.7, second straight rise that we are seeing. Metals was 1.59% positive, IT was green, PSU Bank was negative 0.93%, defense was negative, cements was negative. And about yesterday's calls, you can have a full scorecard on rupeecase.com. I'll take a 4 on 5 for yesterday. So the board across the option chain, 4.3 lakh calls got added in one session. 24,300 almost now 2.16 crore. The resistance has doubled. Biggest single position of the cycle that we have seen. 24,200 stands at 1.65 crore. 24,250 at 1.26 crore. 24,350 at almost 51 lakhs got added. And on the bottom side, puts retreated everywhere above 24,100. So 24,250 almost 37 lakh got unwounded. 24,300 33 lakh got unwounded. 24,200 27 lakh got unwounded, and the support now stands at 24,200 only 1.22 crore. 24,000 put also 14 lakhs got unwounded. Only puts added were 20,050 15 lakhs, 24,150 11 lakhs, and 24,100 10 lakhs to almost 91 lakhs total. So PCR moved from 1.08 to 0.69 in one day. Max pain slid from 24,250 300 to almost 24,200. A sliding magnet is a negative thing for the market to the follow it. Basis slipped negative minus 12 points, was positive 38 points on Friday. September futures is still positive 25 points. Now the support stands at 24,100, 91 lakh puts, then 24,000, 1.63 crore, with 24,200 shelf shrinking and the max pain hitting at 24,200. Resistance now stands at 24,250, 1.26 crore, and 24,300, 2.16 crore. The map for expiry is front IV is rising and has risen almost 20% in a day. So wall has been rising. Expiry day one standard deviation currently gives us a range of 24,050 to 24,300 on the upper end. ATM straddle of 24,200 trades at 120. So fear is coming down. The straddle implied move of almost 150 points gives us a range of 24,050 to 24,340 on the upper end. Day's battlefield currently predicted is 2450 on the bottom end to 24,300 on the upper end, with the max pin still standing at 24,200. What did proprietary FI and clients too. So the proprietary traders sold 1.8 lakh calls. The entire 1.4 lakh long book got dumped into the gap. Now net short is what they are holding. They have kept that 1.98 lakh puts and the futures long. A cautious caller position for a chop down. The desk that pressed long on Friday reversed it in one session. So respect that flip. FIs added 1.14 lakh puts, and now the book stands at 5.82 lakh puts long, added 9,500 futures short, and the total short book stands at 2.1 lakh 1 lakh, covered 18,000 more calls in the yesterday's fall. But cash bought 1,182 crore, first buy in last 3 days, hedged for the event, not exiting. And the clients bought 1.62 lakh calls, the exact calls the pros sold at the top, added 1.46 lakh naked puts in one day. The book stands at 8.44 lakh naked puts clients are holding. This is the record, and that is going to hit today, I think. The crowd is long at the top and short at the bottom to an overlap expiry. And the flows, FIS bought 1,182 crore in cash. DIs also bought 2,493 crore in cash. FI index, they have sold 1,500 crores. So derivative is bearish, cash is bullish. The war has a new shape. Everyone owns a protection. The crowd is only the naked one. Predicted values. So the signal has flipped from buy to sell, and projection is 24,214, is below which the market tends to go negative. Expiry pin is currently trading at 24,200 and is constant over there. So what we are seeing today morning is Gift Nifty is trading 60 point down at 24,160, straight into that 24,150 zone. Kospi is down minus 2%, Korea is down minus 2%, Taiwan is down minus 0.86%, Hang Seng minus 0.13%, Nikkei is only green 0.38%. US on Monday, Nasdaq closed negative 0.76%, S&P was also down 0.28%. Brent is steady at 92.63. Gold is all at the record highs of 46.43. Dollar index has crossed 99, and USD INR is still falling and has closed at 95.74. And India's 10-year bond yield is constant at 6.87. So weekly and monthly books settle together. So today you could expect heavier volatility, and across the board some rollovers that could happen, and keep a watch on that as well. All cap was a positive 14 bips against a nifty negative 14 bips, third straight beat that we have seen. Since the rebalance, the alpha still stands at 0.88%. The full scorecard is available on rupeecase.com. So the plan for today is simple, guys. The gap down opens at 24,150. The first fight is defense, not offense. 24,100 is the trapdoor. So we are already entering into a negative gamma territory. The crowd holds a record 8.44 lakh naked puts. So the acceleration towards 24 to 24,050 can be the first floor that we can see. 1.6 crore lakh puts are present, and the 1 SD floor stands at 24,050 levels. So the pin is at 24,200, and that can get drifted, I think, another 50 points lower. So the resistance stands at 24,250 at 1.26 lakh calls written over there, and then 24,300 at 2.16 crore over there. Nothing crosses it today. Base case open is defended, pin is backed, and we close around 24,200 is the base case. Squeeze is we some short covering happening, and the market lifts to around 24,250 to 300 back again. Risk case is below that 24,100 zone, and we could easily roll down till 24,000, and the expiry can happen towards that 24,050 levels. Overlap expiry is there, so keep a watch on that. Also, cash closing is something we have to watch today. So only spreads, guys. No naked selling, no naked buying for today. The crowd is short 8.44 lakh puts. Remember this. Do not be in the trade with them. And if you like this episode, please share it with one trader friend who needs it right now. Subscribe on Apple Podcast, Spotify, and Amazon Music. Stream it live and first on rupeecase.com. And give it a rating, guys. And see you all once again tomorrow. Until then, have a happy expiry and a safe trading.